Hello, my name is Markus. I'm CEO and founder of Drone Rescue Systems. We are a parachute recovery systems provider for various drones between 5 and 25 kilograms. The parachute is an add-on you can install to almost any drone, and it brings you that extra piece of safety when you want to fly risky applications like over people or beyond the visual line of sight. But it also will help you to protect your payload or the drone when it comes to any kind of malfunction up in the air. So I always compare it to an airbag in a car, which is beneficial for your own safety in case something goes wrong. We have built in our own sensors that are embedded in the product, and since it's attached to the aircraft, it makes the same movements. And this is how we can monitor banking angle or the vertical velocity, and it's as soon as it's out of a specific range, the parachute will detect it within a fraction of a second and deploy the chute.